Everybody, welcome. Steve from OpenBOM, and in today's sneak peek video, we're going to take a look at Altium 365 for OpenBOM Design. Okay, what does that mean? OpenBOM Design is a dashboard in OpenBOM that brings all of our cloud and some sort of non-cloud data together in a single place. There's plenty of videos on OpenBOM Design. I encourage you to take a look at them. We've recently added Altium Design. So I've enabled Altium Design for my account and I've signed in right here to my Altium 365 account. And I now magically see all of my Altium 365 workspaces. And this is really cool. I'm going to take a look at one here, the Flash tool demo data in Altium. You can see that right in the context of OpenBOM, I see all my 365 information about variants and all the information is right here. And on top of that, I can build a BOM for this design right here. Create BOM button, OpenBOM goes off, starts building a BOM exactly like we would if you were running Altium on the desktop with the OpenBOM integration, only we're doing it right here from design. And with a click of a button, I can see a really nice bill of material built for this design. Got my reference designators, has all the information, same format and structure as it would if you were building it through the Altium integration, but it's building it right here in design. So it's really exciting. First release of this will be out into January 2024, so that's just a couple of weeks. And as always, appreciate all your feedback and support at openbob.com. Thanks, everybody.